transition to environmental friendly transportation requires actually very heavy investment. We are working on a solution. This is Inclusive Innovation 2030 project, and we believe that a business case portal that analyzes the economic returns of low carbon urban transportation can offer decision makers and policy makers. It can offer them tools for innovative finance. Therefore, we have co-created a solution, and actually that solution is to create a medium to showcase the successful business cases of innovative transportation businesses, and which are targeting the clean air. I am going actually to show you how we got to that solution.
We are exploring really different avenues to improve our mobility sector or transport sector to one, improve the commuter experience, but also to increase safety and reduce our carbon emissions. We have identified that transport is one of the highest contributors to air pollution, and so reduction of really ICE vehicles on the road is also one of the main priorities that we have, where we are promoting the use of electronic vehicles, and we are currently in a bid to increase, for example, e-vehicle charging stations across the country, not just in Kigali. And then also we have bike sharing or e-bikes, also again to promote green mobility. We're also encouraging use of bicycles, where we have players such as Gura Ride that has bicycles deployed across the city, especially in Kigali. We also have some areas that are not covered by public transport, so this is very helpful for citizens to move around, but this is also in a bid to continue promoting the use of green technologies for the mobility sector. With REMA, we have a project called Air Pollution Monitoring System. So we know both the highest pollutants that we are fighting with, and then we also know the high risk zones or hotspot zones and why.
However, traffic-related air pollution in Kigali remains really significant. Factors such as fossil fuel-dependent vehicle stock and traffic congestion are still very big contributors to the existing situation. In this context, therefore, we explored potential interventions that can catalyze investment in climate-friendly means of transport.
We work across quite a few topics on the overall theme of smart cities. It was really great working with the ii2030 team around the topic of pilots and making things come to life, to make sure that smart cities is not just a topic that's somewhere in strategies and policies, but that's something that also reaches the citizens.
We also facilitated a 2-day long co-creation session in Kigali for the design of a solution prototype. And here is what actually has come out to be the solution.
The solution that we were considering, that was co-created in the past few days, really focused on ways to digitize elements of the transportation environment.
The solution looks on creating the medium to have the very key partners, the very key stakeholders that are working into the system. The solution envisages to have very many institutions that will be partners, including the ministries in Rwanda. Finally, I call upon you to take action, start gathering information and know what the air pollution actually is and the causes of air pollution, and please take action. You could be able to choose to use transport systems, transport models that do not pollute environment. Those transport means that are there to promote clean air in order for the smart Kigali to have generations that live in a very safe and clean air.